Hi and welcome to Tech in the Car. This is an unboxing and hands-on review of the Sonos Move. So this is the box, what it looks like. You can see a picture of the speaker and the charging stand on the front there. There's another picture here holding what it's like and how you hold it. It's got a microphone, so it's got the Google Assistant or Amazon Echo's Alexa on there as well. And on this side you have some basic information about it. So let's open this up and unbox it now. So there you go. What you get inside, you get your welcome guide, as you can see down there. Bit of cardboard there. Inside the box you have the charging base, and you've got the plug and the cable for that. Inside. And then here we have the Sonos Move itself. So, hands-on impressions, this is a definitely weighty speaker. It feels very high quality. The material feels really good quality. It's got this really easy to hold handle where you can put your hands in, which also seems to have all the regulation printed there. And on the back you've got your power button, your Wi-Fi and Bluetooth switch, and this is the switch for connectivity, so you can set it up initially. And then you've got a little USB-C cable charging port here, where you can charge it if you don't have the charging dock. The bottom has a nice rubberized non-slip foot, which is definitely very, very useful. So this is what it looks like when it's out of the box. You can see the speaker, it feels really high quality with the rubberized foot, so you know it's not going to slip anywhere, and it's not going to trigger any vibration transmission through there either. And then of course you've got it's just a really nice solid design, so it definitely feels high quality, which is important. So let's get it set up now. Let's talk a bit about what you're looking at in front of you now. So on the top, I mentioned it before, we have a microphone button, then you've got the next and previous track button, and if you press the microphone button it will mute it.
The mic is muted.
If you
The mic's back on.
It unmutes it. And now I can say, okay Google, what is the weather tomorrow?
Tomorrow in Eastbourne, it'll be partly cloudy, with a high of 17 and a low of 7.
And these buttons are capacitive, so they're really sensitive to whatever you're doing. This is obviously designed to be used inside and outside, so it's got an IP56 rating, so it's got protection from dust particles and liquid splashes, which is very, very useful obviously when being outside. And also of course being able to use it with your voice helps a lot, because it gives you that versatility, and then you can also use it with Bluetooth, which is again makes it much simpler for you to pair your phone to and use it if you don't have Wi-Fi where you are. In terms of the actual sound quality, it's got 2 Class D digital amplifiers which are perfectly tuned to match the speaker drivers, which makes it sound really fantastic. And it's got a far field microphone array, so it can hear you very clearly with noise cancellation and noise reduction. So even if it's playing loud music, it can still hear you. I can't play any music because that isn't allowed by YouTube rules, but trust me when I say that. And it's also got one mid-woofer integrated into the cabinet to ensure faithful playback of mid-range vocal frequencies, plus deep, rich bass, which is something Sonos are very well known for, having really, really good bass. So it gives you a lot of control. Not only does it, as I mentioned, use Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, but you can also use AirPlay 2 as well, which is something which anyone who has Apple products loves to use as well. So it's got a really, really cool and easy to use interface. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.